Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to do a simple video for you. This is how to factory reset a HomePod. This works on any HomePod, the original, the HomePod Mini, or the HomePod 2. The first thing you're going to want to do is unplug the HomePod for about 10 seconds and then plug it back in. After you plug it back in, wait 5 to 10 seconds, then you're going to place your finger on top and you'll see the swirl go around your finger, and just keep holding it. And it's eventually going to turn red, and you're just going to keep holding it, and it's going to seem like forever, but I promise it'll reset it and the HomePod will eventually speak to you. When it does speak to you, it might startle you. It is a little loud, just a heads up, just so no one has a heart attack while doing this. Just keep holding.
Your HomePod is about to reset. Keep pressing until you hear 3 beeps.
And there you go. Now you can let go after the 3 beeps, and now it's going to turn itself back on, but you might have to wait a minute, so I'm going to skip forward. And there you have it. After about a minute, it's going to start back up and it'll make that startup sound, and then you can set it up or ship it out to whoever needs it next. Hope this video helps, and we'll see you all next time.